Good morning, children. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss about new chapter Operations on Large Numbers, Unit 4, Operation on Large Numbers. Children, open your textbooks, Nana. Open your textbooks. Page number 91. Page number 91. Four operations on large numbers. The four basic operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, with whole numbers are called fundamental operations. In this chapter, we are discussing about the additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions on whole numbers. లార్జ్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకొని ఆ లార్జ్ నెంబర్స్తోని ఎడిషన్స్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్స్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్, డివిజన్స్ చేస్తాం ఈ చాప్టర్లో. ఓకేనా? ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఎడిషన్ ర్యాపిడ్ రీకాల్. ఎడిషన్ ర్యాపిడ్ రీకాల్. In an addition problem, the numbers to be added are called the addends and the result is called the sum. See here example, Nana. Here two numbers are there, no? That numbers are called as addends. First addend and this is the second addend. One result is come, no? That result is sum. ఫస్ట్ టూ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి చూడండి, మనకు క్వశ్చన్ లాగా ఇస్తారా, దాన్ని ఫస్ట్ యాడెడ్ అండ్ సెకండ్ యాడెడ్ అంటారు. మనకి మొత్తం ఇవి యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక రిజల్ట్ వస్తుందా, ఆ రిజల్ట్ని ఏమంటామంటే సమ్ అంటాము. ఓకేనా? ఈ రిజల్ట్ని ఏమంటాం నాన్న? సమ్. సి హియర్, ఇన్ యాన్ ఎడిషన్ ప్రాబ్లం the numbers to be added are called the addends and the result is called the sum. And the result is called the sum. Sum means addition. What is the first Roman? Additions. What is the first Roman, Nana? Add. Add means what? Addition. What are the numbers here? 57,649. And next, 30,876. 23,964. We have to add these three numbers. We have to add this total three numbers, Nana. Now see here, 964. For this row, 964 we have to add. Okay. Now see here, 6 plus 4 how much? See, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. So write here 9 and write here up 1. Okay, Nana. And now see here, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6, how much? 12 after? 12 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What, Nana? 18. Right here 8 and here 1. Now again add the third one. This is the hundreds place is there, no? Now add here the hundreds place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 how much? See, Nana, 7 plus 8 how much? 7 after? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9. 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How much, Nana? Right here 4 and here up 2. And next 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 3 how much? 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 plus 3 how much, Nana? 12. Right here 2 and here 1. And again now count the last row. Here last one is there, no? That one count. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 how much, Nana? 9. 9 plus 2, 11. What is the total sum here? Yes, 1,12,489 is the total sum. What is this, Nana? Total sum. What is the total sum here? 1,12,489. Coming to the second sum, 39,586, 43,965, 84,769. Total, this is the three numbers. We have to add these three numbers. Add means what, Nana? Total sum. Okay. Now see here, 6 plus 5 plus 9. Total we have to add this number. Okay. Now see, Nana, easy ga ఏ టూ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే ఆ టూ నెంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ దాన్ని కౌంట్ చేసుకుంటే ఈజీ అవుతుంది. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 9 plus 5 how much? 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is equals to 14. 14 plus 6 how much? 14 plus 6, 20. So write here 0 and write here the number 2. Okay. And now 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 how much? 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 6. Again we have to add the one more 6 is there. No, 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So write here 2 and write here the number again 2, 22. Okay, now 9 plus 5 plus 2 add here. 9 plus 5 means already I told 5 means 14. 14 plus 2. 14 after 2 how much? 14, 15, 16. Up to here 16. 16 plus 7. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Write here the number 3 and here the number 2. Now here got it Nana? Okay. 9 plus 2 how much? 9, 10, 11. 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. The total number 18. Okay. And now count the last numbers. Here is the last one is there. No, that one count here. 3 plus 1 how much? 4. 4 plus 4? 8. 8 plus 8? 16. What is the total sum here? 1,68,320. What is this Nana? Total sum. 1,68,320. మీ అందరికి ఎడిషన్స్ ఈజీగా వచ్చు కదా. మనకి ఈ చాప్టర్లో చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఎడిషన్స్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్స్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ అండ్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద డివిజన్స్. ఆల్రెడీ మనకి ఇవన్నీ వచ్చినవి ఈ చాప్టర్లో ఉంటే చాలా ఈజీ చాప్టర్. ఓకే, నౌ ద సెకండ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎడిషన్ ఈజ్ ఫినిష్. 1. Addition large numbers. Add addition large numbers. Addition of large numbers is done the same way as addition of small numbers. Addition large numbers ని ఎలా చేస్తారు, స్మాల్ నెంబర్స్ ఎడిషన్ అయితే ఎలా చేస్తామో లార్జ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎడిషన్ కూడా సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా అలానే చేస్తాము. వన్ సీ హియర్ నాన్న, these are the two big numbers, large numbers. These two numbers we have to add. Arrange the numbers in the columns. At first of all we have to arrange all the numbers in columns. Now see here, what is this number? 7 crores 39 lakhs 12,005. This one 5 crores 41 lakhs 93,637. We have to arrange these two numbers into the columns and then we have to count. See here, first add the ones place. First add the ones. Ones digit numbers are there, no? That numbers we have to add. What are the ones digit numbers? 5 and 7. See here, 5 ones plus 7 ones we have to add. Total what is the number? 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 ones. 1 10 plus 12 ones. Where we have to write this 12? Here first of all we have to write here in 2 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Carry 1 10 to the tens place. Here we have to carry 1 tens to the tens place. Next add the tens place. Again we have to add the tens place. 1 10 plus 0 10 plus 3 10. Total what are the numbers here? 1 plus 0 plus 3. Total what we get the result? 1 plus 0 is equals to 1 only. 1 plus 3 4. So here 4 tens. Add the hundreds. Again we have to add the hundreds place. 0 plus 6. What we get here? 6. Next add the thousands place. Thousands plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to how much? 5. Next add 10,000s place. Add 10,000s place. See here Nana. 1 10,000 plus 9 10,000 equals to 10 10,000s. So here 1 plus 9 is equals to 10, no? So total here 10 10,000s are there. We have to write here in 10,000s place 0, in lakhs place 1. Next add the lakhs place. 9 plus 1 plus 1. Total what we get here? is 11. Write 1 in the lakhs place and write another one in the 10 lakhs place. Carry this number into the 10 lakhs place. So again 3 plus 4. Sorry, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Next add the crores place. Again we have to add the crores place. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is equals to how much? 12. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. What is the total sum here? 12 crores 81 lakhs 5,642 is the sum. Sum means the result. Page number 92 Nana. Turn the page. Here see the next one. Collect the answers to the following addition problems Locate each answer in the puzzle. Answer may be vertical, horizontal and diagonal. Here see Nana, sum up to 10 questions are there. Here how many sums are there? Up to 10 sums are there. First of all we have to do here the addition. Plus means what Nana? Plus means addition. We have to do the addition. Again we get one answer. We get no that answer. Where that answer is there we have to find out here. Okay, here is the puzzle and that puzzle we have to find out the answers. Okay, now I will tell the answer. You have to find out here the puzzle and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, Nana. Now what is the first one? See here. First one, this one is the first one. First we have to keep the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Total what is this number? 59 lakhs, 76,382. 382. This is the one. Next, 23 lakhs 86,694 and plus 6 lakhs 573. Total the sum is there. Now we have to add this total sum. Now come to the solution. Question. Now here I am writing the numbers. 59 lakhs 76,382. Next, 23 lakhs 86,694. Next, what is the number? 6,573. 6,573. Here 10,000 place is nothing. Lakhs place also nothing is there, Nana. Okay. And now add this number. We have to add this total number. See here. 2 plus 4 how much? 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. 6 plus 3? 9. Very good. Next, here coming to the second one. 8 plus 9 plus 7. 8 plus 9 plus 7. 8 plus 9 plus 7. See, Nana? 8 plus 9 how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Up to here 17. 17 plus 7. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Right here the number 4 and here up number 2. 24. Next one. See here the next one. This one. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 how much, Nana? 11. 11 plus 5. 16. Got it, Nana? And now coming to this one. Total 1, 2, 3. 3 sixes and 1 is there. So 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 7 plus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 6. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Right here the number 9 and here the 1. Got it, Nana? And now see here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8 how much? 8 plus 8, 16. Right here 6 and here 1. 9 plus 1, very good, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, now coming to last one. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 6. 7, 8. Total what is the number here? 83 lakhs 69,649. 83 lakhs 69,649 is the total answer. Okay, Nana, got it, Nana? In the puzzle, we have to find out that answer. Okay, what is the answer? 83 lakhs 69,649. The first answer is already they gave in your textbook. See in your textbooks, Nana. 92 page na in your textbook. See 83 lakhs 69,649. We have to keep here one circle. Okay. Now coming to the second one. Second sum, children. See, Nana, second sum. Now see. Solution here. I am writing the numbers. 2, 3, 7, 5, 2, 1, 6. Next. What is the next number? 30. Here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 35 lakhs 17,372. And next one is 39,126. Again here we have to do the addition. Here 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 how much? 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 6. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So right here 4 and here up 1. 1 plus 2. Sorry, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7. 7, 8, 9. Total up to here 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Now see here. 1 plus, sorry, okay. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now here. Coming to here, Nana. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. Total how much? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to here 12. 12 plus 9, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Total what is this, Nana? 21. Right here. 1. Here up 2. Up here 2. Next 7 plus 2. 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Okay. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And again 2 plus 3 how much? 5. Total what is this number? 59 lakhs 31,714. Total what is this sum, Nana? 59 lakhs 31,714. This number we have to find out in your textbook. Puzzle is there, no? And that puzzle we have to find out this number. Now see in your textbooks. Sum here 59 lakhs 31,714. Already there here 59 lakhs 31,714. Yes, circle this number in your textbook. Circle this number, Nana. Got it? Rest of all the sums I am only giving the addition, Nana. There is no homework. This only homework. ఇంకా ఇది కాకుండా వేరే హోంవర్క్ ఏది ఇవ్వట్లేదు మీకు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ సమ్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ 10 సమ్స్ వరకు ఉన్నాయి. ఓన్లీ ఎడిషన్స్ ఇవి మొత్తం కూడా మీరు హోంవర్క్ బుక్ లో చేసిన ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది కదా, ఈ ఆన్సర్ని ఇక్కడ పజిల్లో చూపెట్టాలి. ఏదైతే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందో ఈ యొక్క పజిల్లో మీరు నాకు ఆన్సర్ ఇలా సర్కిల్ చేసి హోంవర్క్ చేసిన సమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఆ హోంవర్క్ చేసిన సమ్స్ ఇక్కడ పజిల్ చేశారు కదా, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు చూడండి. ఇక్కడ పజిల్ది ఇలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన ఆన్సర్ ఈ రెండింటిని కూడా నాకు ఫోటో తీసి వాట్సాప్ లో పంపించాలి. సెకండ్ రోమన్ సాల్వ్. Individually, the area of 4 South Indian states is, here they gave the 4 South Indian states area. Andhra Pradesh, what is the area here? 2,76,914 square kilometers. What is the square kilometers for Andhra Pradesh? 2,76,914 square kilometers. Karnataka, how much? 1,91,773 square kilometers for Karnataka. And Kerala, 38,864 square kilometers. And Tamil Nadu, 1,30,069 square meters. What is the total area of the 4 South Indian states? Here see, Nana, the total area of the South Indian states. Total area. Total area means what here we have to do? Here we have to do the sum. Sum means addition. I already told, Nana, sum means what? Addition. Sum means addition. No? Here Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. 4 states are there. 4 South Indian states are there. By using these 4 states, they gave the area. To find out total area, we have to find out. Here 4 numbers are there. No? That 4 numbers we have to add. Okay. Now coming to the solution. The area of 4 South India states. First write the area of 4 South Indian states. South Indian states. Here how many states are there, children? 4 South Indian states. What are there? First of all, Andhra Pradesh. Right here then Andhra Pradesh. A-N-D-H-R-A. Andhra Pradesh. P-R-A-D-E-S-H. Andhra Pradesh. How much Andhra Pradesh? 2,76,914. 2 lakhs again 76,914. 2,76,914 for Andhra Pradesh. The next one is Karnataka. Next one Karnataka. 1,91,773. 773 for Karnataka. Next Kerala. Kerala how much? 38,864. 38,864. ఇట్లా లైన్గా రాసుకుని మనకు కౌంట్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ తమిళనాడు. తమిళనాడు. హౌ మచ్ తమిళనాడు హియర్? 1,30,069. 1,30,069. Here total. We have to do here total. Total how much, Nana? See here. Last digits are there, no? That last digits, first of all, we have to add. 9 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 how much? 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. So write here 0 and up here 2. Okay, Nana? Now second one. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, very good, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 6, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Right here 2 and here up 2. Got it, Nana? See. Overall this. Okay. Now third line is there, no? That line we have to add. 9 plus 2 how much? 9 plus 2? 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 8. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Right here the number 6 and upward here 2. 26. Next one, this line. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17. Next one. 7, 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 3. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus 3 how much? 23. Right here 3 and up here 2. Oh, got it, Nana? See. Got it? Okay. Now see here. Last how many numbers are there? See, Nana? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. What is the total value here? 6,37,620. This is the total for South Indian states area. Right here the total. The total area of the four South Indian states. 6,37,620. 6,37,620. Overall, see here, Nana. First of all, the area of the four South Indian states. The area of the four South Indian states. What are that one? Andhra Pradesh 2,76,914. Karnataka 1,91,773. Kerala 38,864. Tamil Nadu 1,30,069. Here we have to do the addition. Sum means addition, I told already, no? Now here we have to do all this total 4 numbers addition. Again, after completing the addition, what we get the total area of the 4 South Indian states? 6,37,620 is the total value. Got it, Nana? Okay, children, must and should complete your classwork and homework. Send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your all doubts. Okay, Nana? Thank you. But must and should write your classwork and homework. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.